Yes. Hey everyone, my name is Ajay Prajapati. I'm a classroom teacher, English language trainer, and a fun teaching expert. Today, when I was taking my batch, so just was talking to one of my students. She was a student teacher actually in a primary school. So I asked to her that right now she's looking for a job these days. So I asked to her, so why did you leave the job? They said, so why did you leave the teaching profession? It's a very good profession. It's a lot of respect, a lot of money, and everything that you have. Quite everything is perfectly okay. I said, she said, actually, I wasn't getting enough salary, enough money. I said, I really understand it. So many public schools, they really pay the less salary. It's really not enough. I really understand. Even the NGOs and all, that's not enough salary. I do understand. That's the reason I'm looking for a job. I said, okay, pretty okay. I really understand. I said, then why don't you try for the teaching job in a better school? And she said, yes, I can try in better schools, but I'm not trying. I don't know. And I asked to her, so what do you teach actually? She said, I teach all subjects. You understand? I teach all subjects. Maybe you teach all subjects. So I will ask quickly with the one question right now that experts make money or general people make money, right? So don't be the general, be a specialist, right? Okay. So make teach the one subject, get expertise, right? Right now you can have expertise on your subject, but teaching all subjects, right? So she was teaching all the subjects, okay? I said, pretty good, good. You're teaching all subjects. Then I asked, okay, now tell me one more, like, so why don't you try in a better schools? I said, I know. You know what was the truth that she explained to me later? And she said that I don't like teaching. That's really interesting to me. I said, very good. So what you don't like in teaching? And she said, बार बार explain करना पड़ता है, समझाना पड़ता है. I hate it. I said, this is not the problem of only one you. This is the problem of the most trainers and teachers. Okay, but the grace of God is if I talk about me, like that's not a pain for me. I really loved it and enjoyed it. Okay, I have been loving actually doing that. Okay, I have got so many positive compliments from my students about the explaining or teaching. In fact, I loved it. Okay, so I the point I'm talking about is, okay, see, it's a skill. It is a skill how to enjoy it that you can learn. If you are into the training or the teaching, and if this is the pain for you, you can learn how to love it. And then do you need to learn this? So if I let's take this simple case. Number one, she can learn how to love this. How to love this explaining. Okay, if you don't know how to love, give me a call. I'll teach you how to actually love it. Wonders will happen. I'll teach you this, okay? Number one. And number two, once you loved it, second thing what you can do, become an expert. Start teaching one subject from today onwards. That's for you, okay? Just like if you are like Bandhana, maybe, if you're like Vandana, you are doing and you're quitting this and you want to quit maybe after 2 years, 4 years, or 10 years, okay? Love this skill, how to love this explaining. Once you did this entire journey, will be happy. Okay? Then you can try become expert. Then don't teach all subjects, teach one subject. Work hard, become expert, and try in better schools. Once you have power, the world, people will be with you, people will follow you. That's what you need actually. If you're like a case of the Vandana, you need three things. Okay, number one, learn the skill how to love the explaining, how to love the teaching. If you have no idea, you can connect with me 888-204-0801, where I might help you if you're really struggling with this particular stuff. Okay, and number two, get the right teaching skills. Start with one subject, not all the 5 subjects, but you teach all subjects. All subjects, people don't go anywhere, okay? Teach the one subject. And number three, go for the great opportunities. If you don't have the great opportunities, create the one. These are my 3 tips for you for a successful teaching and the career and many more that you can do. If you want more tips, subscribe this channel. And don't subscribe if you don't want to subscribe. That's what, or I'll keep sharing some of the good things for you. Alright, see you in the next video. Take care.